In this video, we'll talk about what is exception. An exception is an error which occurs while running the process or objects and it terminates the process without executing next stage. That is called exception. If you see this screenshot, this is the exception that occurs in Blue Prism. This error says that file not found. It means whatever files you are going to use in your Blue Prism project, if that is not available, then you will be getting this error, file not found. See this second error, that is cannot find element in a step 1 of write stage, type a staff number and password on page login. This error occurs when bot is trying to type a staff number and password on the login page and that element is not available. Then this error will occur. If you see this error, failed to perform step 1 in write stage, type a staff number and password on page login, not connected. This happens when bot is trying to type staff number and password on the login page, but application is closed that time. It means application is not connected with the Object Studio, then you will be getting error. So these are all the exceptions. If you see this exception, it says failed to evaluate expression collection dot number 1 divide by collection dot number 2 division by 0. So this is also one type of error like system exception. This is a part of internal exception, but these are all system exception. It means when we are trying to divide any number with 0, then you will be getting this error, divide by 0 error. So this is not only for example, there are lots of things. Whenever you will start developing your project, you will run your projects. So while running that project, you will be getting lots of things there, and all these errors should be handled in a different way. There are two types of exception: system exception and second, business exception. Now system exception occurs due to the system failures. When an application you are automating fails or not responding due to application closed or elements not found or resource missing, etc. It means, for example, if you are going to automate any application, that can be Windows application or web application, and you are trying to log into that, and that time that website is not responding, so that time it will throw an error because it will not able to find that username and password text box. And there are some other cases also. Might be you are opening that browser, but that time that server is offline, so again it will show like this website not found, so you will not able to log into that. So that can be also issue. There are some scenario when you are going to trying to click on any button, and when you clicked on that button and it is taking time to load another page, that time also you will get error. So these are the system exceptions. Now business exception. Business exception occurs when a certain transactional value does not meet a business requirement. Business requirement is not actually exception. Based on the business rules, we create or generate the exception explicitly. It means manually we create that. We tell Blue Prism to throw this error, like this is business exception. For example, if you are working in a process where you need to get order quantity from Excel and you have to write to the application, you have to write in the specific order quantity field, and as per business, if order quantity is greater than 100, then robot should not process that item. Robot should skip that item and mark that specific item as a business exception with the proper region. And region can be like we cannot take more than 100 orders, or order quantity is greater than 100, like that. You know, system exception, it will automatically throw an error, but business exception, we have to throw this error. If you see here, I have already written the steps to launch and login that Centrix application. Now if I'll reset and run this, and you will see here launch part, it is launching and this has been launched. Now currently Blue Prism is on the this step, it means it is trying to log in, but that time this window was not loaded, it means the staff number and password is not loaded, that's why we are getting this error. Now in the next video I will tell you about exception handling in Blue Prism.